To move a copy of file from one computer to another over a communication channel is called file transfer. The primary function is to set up the hardware and load and start an operating system (BIOS). Dash is computer software designed to operate the computer hardware and to provide platform for running application software, system software. The dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage medium to the computer per second. Data transfer rate. A device which is not connected to CPU is called as offline device. A device which is not connected to CPU is called as offline device. The term dash designates equipment that might be added to a computer system to enhance its functionality. Peripheral device. RAM can be treated as the dash for the computer's processor. Waiting room. A dash is a microprocessor-based computing device. Personal computer is a microprocessor-based computing device. Which of the following are the functions of an operating system? All the above. Dash provides process and memory management services that allow two or more tasks, jobs, or programs to run simultaneously. Multitasking. The task of performing operations like arithmetic and logic operations is called processing. ALU and control units jointly known as CPU. RAM is an example of primary memory. Magnetic disk is an example of which one of the following is not a computer language? MS Excel. What is the other name for programmed chip? Read-only memory, ROM. Online real-time systems become popular in which generation? Third generation. You use an dash such as keyboard or mouse, to input information. Input device. Dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Random access. Which of the following is not one of the four major data processing functions of a computer? Analyzing the data or information. All of the following are examples of storage devices except printers. Printer is not a storage device. The CPU and memory are located on the motherboard. The CPU and memory are located on the motherboard. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. Artificial intelligence. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a network. Store data or information temporarily and pass it as directed by the control unit. Registers. Select the odd one from the following: operating system. A dash is an additional set of commands that the computer displays after you make a selection from the main menu. Dialog box. COBOL is an acronym for Common Business Oriented Language. All of the following are examples of real security and privacy risk except spam. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called processing. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged file from a criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty called computer forensics. The dash data mining techniques derives rules from real-world case examples, neural nets. Dash are used to identify a user who returns to a website. Cookies. Our data is saved in cookies. Codes consisting of lines of varying widths or lengths that are computer readable are known as barcode. When creating a computer programs, the dash designs the structure of the program. System analyst. Computers process data into information by working exclusively with numbers. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called downloading. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Formatting. ASCII is a coding system that provides 128 different characters. Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instructions of the computer program? The processor. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs. Power on self-test. The most common type of storage devices are both A and B, magnetic storage and flash memory. A device that connects to a network without the use of cables is said to be none of these. A person who used his or her expertise to gain access to other people's computer to get information illegally or do damage is a hacker. A DVD is an example of an optical device, an optical disc. Thank you for watching. It's a series of 600 important and most repeated computer science questions. Subscribe to our channel for next videos and visit our website for daily updated MCQs www.updatedmcqs.com.